Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the computer class of Standard 8. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is Composer Part 2. In this chapter, we have to learn the table and to insert pictures and to create hyperlinks. These three topics are there in this chapter. First of all, we will start how to create table here. Okay, so example 1 on page number 53 in your book is given that we will do. In that it is explaining how to insert table. Okay, there are two types of tables, quickly and precisely. Quickly means ready-made boxes are given 8 rows and 8 columns. If you want to create tables immediately, then you can use this quickly button. If you want more than 8 rows and 8 columns, at that time we have to move to precisely tab. Okay, and the third box is given, that is cell. In that we have properties of the tables. Okay, so we will start here. There are two ways to insert table. You can go in the insert button and table option you can select, or else in the composition toolbar also you have table button. Okay, as you click here, see here, two tabs are given, or actually three tabs are given. But to create the table, we have to quickly and precisely. Sorry, in quickly we have maximum 6 rows and 6 columns, not 8. 6 rows and 6 columns, ready-made buttons. Okay, and there are no, you can't do any changes here. Ready-made table you will get. If you want a table of your choice, then we can move to precisely tab, where we have to mention the rows, the columns, the width of the table and border of the table. All options we are getting here, which are not given in the quickly tab. Okay, so these two types of tables we can create, quickly and precisely. Now we will create one table which is given on page number 54. Okay, one table is given. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows are there. 4 rows, and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So we will move to precisely tab. Here we will mention 4 rows and 6 columns. Okay. Now we need not 100% of the window will be covered by table. We will write 80%. We will write here 80, and the border of the table we need 3. Now click on OK button. As you click on OK button, one table will be displayed to you, and in this table you can do your work. Now the first, in this example, the first line is St. Mary School. The name is given of the school. But you can see here that it is written in single line, and here too we have multiple columns. So what we have to do, we have to merge the columns. The merging we have done in the Excel also. In the previous standards you have learned the merging. Okay, how to do merging here. So what you have to do, as many columns or rows you want to merge, you have to select it. How to select? By moving the mouse. Hold your left button and move your mouse and select all the cells which you want to merge. I want to merge all 6 cells. First all 6 cells I want to merge. So select it and right click over any of the cell. Right click over any of the cell. Okay. And the second last option you are getting, that is join selected cells. As you click on join selected cells, the 6 cells will be merged as one line. Clear? I'll do it again. Remember, whichever cells you want to merge, you have to select them all. How to select it? Hold your left mouse button and move your mouse over the cells, as many cells you want to merge. Okay, I want to merge all 6 cells. So I will move my mouse over these 6 cells. Right click over any of the cell and select the option, second last option, join selected cells. Now same thing we have to do for the next line also, where we need to merge two cells. So select 2 cells, first and second I want to merge. Right click here, join selected cells. Another 2 cells I want to merge, so select them, right click there and join selected cells. Next two cells I want to merge, so select them and right click over there and select join selected cells. This much only we have to do. Okay, now we will start typing. In the first tab we will type the school name. It is given St. Mary's School. Okay, now in the next line, formatting we will do later. First we will complete our typing. Standard 10. In the next we will write standard 11. And the last one we will write standard 12. Okay. In the next line we will write boys and girls. Boys girls. Boys girls. Okay, done. In the last column we will write the number 27, 35, 31, 31, then 29, then 30 and 28. Okay, now we will do the formatting. Now we are going to do the formatting. So select the first line. We have to make it center. Okay, so we will use second format toolbar to click on center, increase the font size, then change its color, font color to red, click on OK button, make it bold also. Okay, first line is done. Then for standard 10, where standard 10 is written, we have to make it center, then we have to make it bold, we need to increase font size by 1 and its color will be blue. Okay, same thing we will do for the standard 11 also. Select the number, make it bold, increase font size by 1, change its color to blue. Last picked color. Okay, make it center. Same thing with the next line also. Select standard 12. Make it center, increase its font size by 1, make it bold and change its color to blue. Okay, clear? Now we have to do for boys and girls also. So we need not to change its color, only we have to make it bold. So select them, click on bold and make them center. Okay, and then for numbers also we need not to change its font color or anything, just we have to make it center and increase font size by 1 number. Clear? Okay. Now this is done. Table is on the left hand side. If I want to change its some properties, table's properties, so double click on the table and table properties will be opened. Okay, click on table, rows, columns and everything is table alignment is left. We want to make it center, so select table alignment center. Background color, if I want to change, by default we have white background. If I want the gray background, then click on gray color and click on OK, apply, OK. Can you see the effect? The table has come in the center position and the background is given gray color. Clear? Okay. Now we will see output in the browser. So before that we have to save it. Click on save button. Give the title table, practicing table, practicing table. Okay. Now the name, we will give name, example. Two examples we have done. This will be third example, example 3. Click on save button. Now start Internet Explorer. We will type here Internet Explorer. Click here. Internet Explorer will be opened. Now we have to go to file menu, open, browse. We have example 3. Click on open button, click on OK button, and you will get your output of the table. Okay, clear? I hope you all have understood it very well. Next example we will see in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye everyone.